So yeah, I think I mean I went pretty much all around, so I guess I was okay. I'm not sure. Didn't do horrible at least. Not great either, obviously, but what can you do? Let's see. 2 shots for 5 AP, I think. Nope. Come on, hit him. Oh, that was close. I don't think those bullets will show up on YouTube, but that one went really close by that guy. Or looked to, at least. Oh, Monk's already moved his turn. Oh, he's using the radio. That means more are probably coming. Monk, keep on crawling, dude. I wonder why that guy is just not shooting back. Maybe he can't see Eterna. That would be lovely, to be honest. Ooh, that was close. Wasting so much ammo on that guy. God. I don't think he can see us, otherwise he would have shot back. He's using the radio some more. And crouching. What the hell? I'm pretty sure he actually can't see us. It's wonderful.
Yes.
Seems there's people inside this building, at least, according to Monk. I still have somewhat of a shot. It's not great. I'll go with a maximum aim one. Yeah, that's hitting a tree. It's not good. Ooh, they're only just above that guy. I've shot like 10 bullets at the guy, not hit a single time. Actually, I did hit once, I think. Yeah, he's on poor, so obviously I did. In case you hadn't noticed, my short-term memory is not really that amazing. Let's see, can we crawl up from here? I think we can. So let's save those 4 action points for Monk, and then see if he can climb up. Actually, it's probably better to crawl like to this point and then climb up, because yeah, he's going to be a lot closer. I don't want to miss with Monk, to be honest. I think I'm gonna save some ammo. Did he just step forward so we couldn't see him anymore? What's up with that?
Yes.
We can see him, he steps forward, which means he's closer to us, which should mean he should be more obvious to see, but...
Bad guys.
Ooh. That's not good. I'll crouch back and look the other way. At least, yeah, it's obvious that guy called for help and he answered. I think it's a pretty good system. Seems to work. Civilian running away. At least I think that was a civilian turn. Let's see. We have MD covering that side. Should probably take a step back, dude. Fox, you should move around that corner. I'm just moving everyone just around corners. I don't trust this game. Enemies can be everywhere. Another quick save.
Right.
Man, they're not moving. Oh, I can't even move now. Great. Yeah, that basically showed, because last time I used all my action points, so now I don't have enough action points to do the same thing, because I didn't save any from the last turn. So that That stuff seems to work at least. That guy's lying down. It's like he's going to camp behind these bushes. Which works for me if I'm going to climb up here, kill that guy, walk over the edge and shoot down. Seems pretty good idea to me. I think this should probably do. Gonna wait 2 more turns though.
Right.
Yeah. Just lie down, dude. They can't see you. Come on.
Yes.
Very short opponent's turn. Maybe those two are all that left. I doubt it, to be honest. The others are probably just not doing anything. So let's wait another turn. And the next turn.
Sure we didn't find all of.
Time for the enemy to say its prayers.
You make me jump every single time, you jerk. Yes, I know I'm calling my own character a jerk, but never mind that. Wow.
Super. I'm not your average mercenary.
Yeah, marksmanship just went up. That's great. I'll quick save that even. Hell. It seems like Eternal has a really good shot when it goes from real time to turn-based. The other times he just seems to miss. So I don't know. Probably just random luck. There's no one else on the roof. That guy's already dead. Monkey should probably go crouch. I'm taking the slow because that guy might jump up to the roof or something. I don't want to be without action points when that happens.
Watch out. All soldiers are not dead.
Oh dear. Monk did not spot him. Jeez, how many shots? God. Didn't do too much damage, luckily, but still. That was way too many shots for you, dude. And with a handgun. Even Monk is out of range now. Let's step back. And let's go lie down. Just to play it safe. I'm thinking I should move myself off here as well. And look that way. Come on, civilians. You're really taking your time.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna take Dimitri with me. Since obviously I'm not really much of a runner at the moment. Dimitri's not much better, but Monk, go look the other way. Then you should probably go bandage yourself again.
Enemy.
Seems like the calling for reinforcements through the radio seemed to help. She's still not done. God. Just move a bit further away then. Can we even reach that in considerable time? It's going to take a while. Ooh, is that an enemy?
Yes.
No, it's just a civilian.